Good morning, students. Great to see you all after a long time. I think you're all staying safe at home. So, now let's start recollecting the already learned topics. Today, we are going to discuss the first lesson, food. Where does it come from? In this chapter, we are going to discuss about variety of foods, major food groups, food ingredients, sources of food ingredients, plant parts used as food, animal food and types of animals. So to begin with, let's first study about different varieties of food. We eat a variety of foods in our daily life, and our food preferences generally depends upon many factors. For example, it depends upon time of the day. That is, in breakfast, we generally prefer to have parathas, bread jam, eggs or omelette, upma and poha, etc. Whereas for lunch or dinner, we generally prefer to have dal chawal, sabji roti, idli dosa, fish rice, chicken, and etc. If we talk about morning or evening time, we prefer to have tea with some snacks. By the way, what did you have for your breakfast today? You must have noticed that food preferences varies with seasons also. For example, in summers, refreshing fruit juices, coconut water, watermelon, mango, cucumber and green leafy vegetables plays a major role, whereas in winter, hot tea, coffee, soup and other snacks are our favorite items. Whereas food preferences varies regionally also from state to state. For example, a South Indian boy or a girl in a class may prefer to have idli or dosa, vada or sambar, whereas a Punjabi boy like to have chapati and others, etc. And a North Indian student like to have momos, etc. Thus, you will notice lot of variation in food from state to state. Now, eating is a wide variety of healthy foods provides a range of different nutrients to the body, which promotes good health and helps to promote ourselves against diseases. There are five major food groups: cereals and pulses, wheat, rice, rajma, malka, moong; fruits such as apple, mango, banana, watermelon; vegetables such as tomato, potato, onion, bindi, and gobi; dairy products such as milk, cheese, and dahi; meat and poultry products such as chicken, fishes, eggs. Now let's move on to the what food items are made up of. The answer is ingredients. Food ingredients are substances that are combined to make a particular dish. For example, today we are planning to make rajma. What ingredients do you require? Pulse ingredients, water, salt, spices, oil, and tomato. For making rice, we just need two ingredients: rice grains and water. To make chapati, we need atta and water. To make favorite momos, you need only maida, vegetables, oil, salt, and spices. With the help of these ingredients, you can make a favorite in dishes. After studying about the ingredients, now let's study about the sources of ingredients. Mainly, there are two different sources, that is plants and animals. All of us know that we get rice, pulses, wheat, fruits, vegetables from plants, whereas we get eggs, milk, meat, fishes, chicken from animals. Thus, plants and animals play a major role in the sources of ingredients. Now, let's take some more examples to understand them better. Cow, buffalo, goat gives us milk, and from milk we get butter, cheese, curd, etc. Hen gives us egg, and from eggs we make omelette, egg bhaji, etc. Wheat plant gives us flour or atta maida, from which we make roti, bread, biscuits, noodles, etc. Now, sources of ingredients we are studying. Now, tell me the sources of honey. Where does honey come from? Have you heard about this? It's a very interesting process. Let's find out how honey is collected. Bees collect nectar, that is sweet juices, from flowers. Then they convert the nectar into honey and store in their hives. We extract the honey from the hives, and this is how we get honey from the market. But now, some of you might think, why bees store the honey in their hives? Flowers are not available round the year. They are available only in some seasons. So bees collect the nectar during the flowering seasons to survive during the cold months and also to feed their young ones. Let's understand it in this way. We consume water only for 2 hours. You will store the water for the end. Till now, we are talking about ingredients which are available from plants and animals. Now, let us now understand, is there any ingredients which does not come from plants or animals? And the answer is yes. For example, salt and water. Salt is obtained from the salt water in ocean and seas. Water comes from rain, pond, river, lakes, ocean, etc. We know that different parts of the plant, seed, fruit, flower, leaf, stem, and roots are used as food. Let's see some examples. For example, seeds of wheat, such as wheat, rice, pulses, and mustard. Fruits such as tomato, bindi, brinjal, and capsicum. We eat leaves of palak, cabbage, pudina, and methi plants are eaten, whereas stem of onion, garlic, and potato plants are eaten. Roots of carrot, radish, beetroot are eaten, whereas we eat flowers of cauliflower and broccoli plant. Till now, we have been talking about what do we eat. Now, what do the animals eat? Some animals eat plants, some animals feed on the other animals. Some of them eat both plants as well as the other animals. Based on their eating pattern, animals are classified as herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores eat only plants. Example, cow. Carnivorous animals eat other animals. For example, lion. Omnivorous animals eat both plants and other animals. For example, a crow. Now, these are some of the examples of herbivores, omnivores, carnivorous animals. Herbivorous animals include cow, buffalo, goat, horses, deer, elephant, butterfly, parrot. Whereas omnivorous animals include squirrel, crow, rat, dog, humans. Carnivorous animal includes lion, tiger, snake, crocodile, cats, spider, lizards. So with this we complete the first chapter of our lesson. I hope you like this video. Thank you, students. We'll meet in the next class.